I've edited hundreds of videos for my clients while being a full-time student at university. And because my time is so limited, I've had to make up ways how to speed up my video editing workflow. And here is everything that I know how to speed up your video editing by like 5 times. My first tip for you is to make a project with your most used assets in it. This may contain things like text effects or sound effects or your most used animations, for example. And you should name this project Factory and then your client's name, who you're working for, or if you're editing for yourself, this should be your own name. So here, for example, I have my own factory project. As you can see, I have different sound effects, text effects also. It doesn't have that much stuff yet since I just started this channel, but I can just easily copy. For example, I have this pop-in animation over here. And this I have in my project that you're currently watching. I can just copy this in and check with your boom. I have this easily in my working project. This saves a lot of time and you can just hop in between these two and easily copy and paste stuff into your main project. And my tip number 2 for you is keyboard shortcuts. I simply cannot stress this enough how important this one is for you. For me, I'm using Premiere Pro and I've set my cutting to be on a W and E. This way I can just blast through my timeline, cutting the video super fast without having to click like C to go to the razor tool and then click here and then delete. It takes so much time. Please use keyboard shortcuts and it will save so much time for you. Tip number 3 is to have a clear goal what you want to achieve with your edit. This way you have a clear vision of what you have to work on, so you're most likely gonna focus a lot better on your task. I also like to add small milestones for my editing. For example, when I reach to minute 3 on my video, I'm gonna have lunch, for example, or when I reach minute 6 on my video, I can go have a break and whatnot. This helps me keep focused and have a clear goal what to achieve. Tip number 4 is something that most people are not gonna tell you because they don't know about it. And that is macro keys for video editing. This is a huge one, honestly, and not many people talk about it. I personally use HID macros for this. So for example, I have a clip here and I press a button and it searches for a slider preset and it pastes on the clip that I had selected. And I think Adobe should have this in their program already as a native tool, but they don't, so this is how you do it. I don't know any coding myself, so it took me a little bit to set this one up, but if you know Python, I'm pretty sure you can set this one up super easily. But if you like to know how I set up my macros, just comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And tip number 5 is to eliminate all distractions. It is so easy to get distracted nowadays. You open your YouTube, you open your TikTok, somebody sends you a Snapchat, and honestly you should just mute your phone when you're editing. By eliminating all distractions, you can go into flow state a lot easier, and this helps you get into the zone when you're just editing really fast and getting things done. And when you edit fast, you have more time to do other stuff as well. And that's about it, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoy content creation and video editing.